So hey guys, welcome back in Unreal in Bangladesh and Kodi Bangla YT. And in this video we are going to make a model for our game. That's why basically a box, that's why nothing else. So first of all, let's go. I'm not sure that how we can create because I am super noob developer. Okay, that's why. So let's select all the faces. Okay, and then we'll be go to I to extrude, or before that we need to add E to extrude, I to insert, but as you can see it's not work. I understand because we must need to maybe pick two faces, so insert kind of like that. Okay, I think it will be look nice. Okay, now let's this face, E to extrude, I to insert, and then for this also, so basically E to extrude, I to insert. Okay, so guys, as you can see it's now good, quite enough. Okay, so it's already looking like a basically a cube box. So then we need to just make it some down inside. So for do that we need to really just extrude and give some inside, so it will be look like a box, just a little bit, not so much. It's looking so much. So yeah, as you can see it's looking now quite enough good. If I just go to this mode, as you can see it's looking like perfectly very nice. It's looking a very simple cube, and yeah, good also. Okay, so also if you want you can do some more adjustment. Okay, like if you want, so just go to this mode, so you can basically make some cool effect also. It depends on yourself like that. Okay, so first of all let's make it like this thing, and now make it some wider, make it some rotate. I think I need some more. Yeah, I think this is good. Yes, as you can see it's quite enough good, not so much bad. Okay, nice. So once you think that okay it's done, so now you have maybe question that, bro, now let's go to shading, and once you go shading we can basically create a material with name mat box 1. Okay, so let's give it to some browns color inside of, but it will be some lighter brown. Okay, not so much. So once we add the basically the browns color, it will be look very nice. So before do that we also need to scale. So basically import fbx. I already have our player backup. Okay, my Unreal Engine player backup mesh, so I can basically easily I can basically scale down how much I want. So basically it will help me to rescale goodly. Okay, I think this box is enough good for size. Okay, now let's delete, go to X, simply just adjust. Okay, now let's go to file, export and fbx, then go to download, then let's give it that name box 1 fbx. Before that geometry, and set it to face and export. Now let's come in Unreal Engine, let's go to our basically content.mesh. so let's import this thing and make sure the size is 1 and import, and if everything is good you can see like this thing. Okay, why does this go? So yeah, as you can see it's quite enough look good, not so much problem I'm seeing. Okay, so yeah, it's not so much bad. Okay, now for making this thing some more good or natural, go to these materials, then we can go to our basically engine content. So go to engine content, search that txtu and te, and you find here the basically some texture that for the normal map, it's called basically the normal map. So here you find maybe bunch of normal maps. Okay, you can use any of one. So let me check which one I can pick from here. there's a lots of map available. It depends on yourself which one you're going to use basically. hmm I think this one is great. So now let's connect it with normal map, and run this thing, then apply and saved. Okay, it's looking good because there's a trialing problem, but once the lights will be built it become more good. So don't need to worry about anything. Just go to details, and for the match up the colors, as I said, that we can fix this problem how much we want. Okay, so it's giving us some real-time data, apply and save. So I think guys you understand how you need to create, or how you can create this thing. If there's any problem come, you can change the by olds, it will be fixed. So thank you so much for doing, guys. Love you all. Bye bye, see you in the next video.